Everybody, welcome back to the Hook to the Left YouTube channel. Today we are going to be announcing the winner of the Furls Hook giveaway. So I always go to commentpicker.com to get my winners, and here I'm just grabbing the link off of the video, and I'm going to go back over to commentpicker.com and I am going to enter that in or paste that in. And I'm going to check off duplicate users, and then I'm going to get the YouTube comments. There was 127 comments, you guys. That was pretty amazing. Thank you all so much for entering. And you know what? While we're doing this, don't forget, I got another one coming out probably next week. I got another giveaway coming out on Friday. All right, so let's go ahead and hit that start button to see who won. And it's all handmade Connie. Congratulations, Connie. She says, I just love the way it looks. I've always heard what a good hook they are, so I would love to try them. God bless and love from Mississippi. Well, congratulations, Connie. Please shoot me an email at hookedtotheleft@gmail.com and let me know where to send this hook to. Again, that's hookedtotheleft@gmail.com, and let me know where to send that. Now, everybody who entered, thank you all so much for entering. Like I said, I do have another kit giveaway coming up, so keep an eye out for that. And until then, why don't you go ahead and go down below and hit that like button, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for being here today. All of you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.